Here we are in one of the dead ends at Fiery Furnace. We're trying to get out to see Skeleton Arch, which is through this canyon. We're like in the middle of rocks. Whoa, that's where we came in. Okay, deer's trying to squish through. Gotta take your backpack off in some of these. And I'm like scrunching down to get through. Yeah, we had to go through orientation in a little video this morning. They probably were looking at you to make sure you're healthy and well and able to navigate these narrow rock openings, which we are.
Ooh.
He made it, yeah. Okay, so we still have more to go. And must be around the corner. Here's some rocks. We just saw these girls coming out of here, and they said that they saw Skeleton Arch around. Oh, here it is. Okay, that wasn't that hard. There it is, Skeleton Arch. Now we're on our way back.